Good morning and happy Friday, guys. This is our first video of 2021, so we're pretty excited about that.
Yep.
We hope you guys all had a great close to your 2020 and on to new and exciting things for the new year, right, Tyler?
Yep.
Awesome. Today, our truck of the week, we're featuring actually this Ford F550. Tyler, tell us a little bit about this truck.
This is a 2020 Ford F550 4x2 gas. It's got the new 7.3 liter engine in it. Great truck, great work truck. Lots of features inside that we'll show you later.
Perfect. And Tyler, I know this truck we're actually featuring, we have two clones of this, one a gas and one a diesel. It looks like one is at 77,553, which is the diesel.
Yep.
Is that correct?
Yep.
And then the gas is 75,363, guys.
Yep.
So some great deals to start the new year if you're looking for that special buy out there.
Yep.
Let's walk around, Tyler. Show us this truck.
So this is a 980 gallon steel tank, 300 water, 680 waste. The water compartment is lined with the epoxy coating, so you get that clean water all the time.
Sure, and it's going to prolong the use of the
Yep.
tank, correct?
Yep.
Okay.
It's got a Massport HXL4 pump on it with the secondary and oil catch. Right here we have our 3-inch dump valve for your discharge, as well as a 2-inch discharge for your bucket fills there.
Right there.
2 aluminum toolboxes, one on each side.
So plenty of storage
Yep.
there.
These are all your three switches to control your pump, your water pump, and then your work lights.
So easy access right there.
Yep.
30 feet of hose here intake.
Yep, 30 feet of hose with your wand.
Okay, and 50 feet of water hose.
Yep, 50 feet of water hose for the whale water pump.
Sweet, sweet. Let's walk around the back here real quick, guys. It's a little chilly out here, but we want to show off this beautiful truck here. Putty gate here, Tyler?
Yep, 2-unit hauler on the back with the lights, license plate holder. And then this unit does feature our new sight glasses that are shatterproof.
Good point.
Great feature on the truck.
Perfect, and we're putting those on all of our
Yep.
tanks right now, guys. So another great feature, and that's specific to Imperial,
Yeah.
Tyler.
And kind of new to Imperial, all of our portable units are set up for dual-sided intake. So we have the intake on both sides. If that's useful to you, great. If not, it's there if you would need it. Just another feature that we offer on our units.
So if we have a customer interested in the dual sided, they just need to contact you. We can add the hose and everything, all the
Yep.
features on here before we ship it.
Yep, all we would have to do is add the hose, and then it'd be good to go.
Awesome, wonderful. In our toolbox here and more storage. We all need storage, right?
Yep, yep.
All right, let's take another look at the front of this truck and then we'll give you a little sneak peek of inside. Again, this is a Ford F550 2020.
Yep.
Awesome. And again, we have two of these, one gas, one diesel in stock, Tyler. So don't hesitate, these trucks will not last long.
Yep.
This is a very popular unit.
Yep.
All right, let's show everybody inside the truck.
All right.
Okay, guys, we're in this Ford F550 2020. Tyler, we just want to show everybody a little sneak peek of the features of this truck. And here I can kind of just show you. Tyler, tell us a little bit about the cab here.
So the big thing is the vinyl seats and vinyl flooring. So it's really good for that work environment, muddy, dirty, wet. Some other features, the steering wheel controls for your cruise, volume, and then your hands-free for the phone, so you're not actually physically holding your phone. So a safety feature there. AC, heated mirrors. This is a 2020, and now going into 2021, we have the new model year, and some features that we added were factory backup camera, just because it was requested a lot, so we thought we would just add it to the truck.
So those will be all on all the Imperial
Yep.
trucks for
It'll
the
be
portables.
standard now, yep.
Okay, wonderful.
And then it also comes with a 12-volt power outlet, and then a chrome front grille, so it gives it a better appearance.
Wonderful. So
Yeah.
you guys will look awesome going down the road in 2021.
Yep.
All right, well, thanks for joining us, guys. Again, Happy New Year. Don't delay. If you guys want this truck, 2 trucks, they won't last long. And Tyler will wash this truck and deliver it for you. So call us at 1-800-558-2945 and subscribe and like this video. Thanks,
Yep.
Tyler.
Yep, thank you.
Have a great day.